This 2025 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultra-Lite Ultra-Lite 257 RKSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, LP detector, air conditioning, leveling jacks, external shower, awning, microwave, skylight, smoke detector, slide-out, stovetop burner, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultra-Lite Ultra-Lite 257 RKSL is 5,562 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.